I'm from Tech Life, and today I will be showing you that how to use Gravity Box KK. And this is the KitKat version that I am using because I am a phone that runs on a 4.4.2 or any KitKat version. If you have, you can just root your phone and just install Expose installer and get this Gravity Box. So now I won't be showing you each and everything that Gravity Box have because it can take forever. So I will just gonna show you some tweaks that can actually will be very helpful to you. So now first tweak is a lock screen tweak. So under this tweak also you can many tweaks. So let's start with the first tweak, that background style. Actually this tweak enables you to set a custom image on lock screen. Especially, yes, you get this kind of tweaks in touch V's of Samsung and also on a Cyanogen mode. But you, if you don't have, or if you are having a custom, not having custom ROM, or if you are having just an stock ROM, so you can just root your phone and install the Gravity Box, and you can just have a different image for your lock screen as well. You can have a default wallpaper that is on a home screen wallpaper, or you can also color fill, and you can also select the color that will be showing show on the lock screen. You can also custom image if you want a different image, or even you can have a last screen as a wallpaper or as a lock screen wallpaper. So I have selected here a custom color. I have selected a color there. You can also change the blur effect of it. If you need intensity higher, so you can just increase the intensity. I want a low intensity, so I have set it on a low. And you can also set the transparency of the background wallpaper. So that's another good thing on that, another special thing that gravity box provides. Also now there is sliding challenge thing. You can also unlock the print target. So means you can create a shortcuts that you can quickly access on a directly on a lock screen just by swiping the arc, you can say. Another thing is that show battery arc. So that's another thing, that a battery arc will be created around the lock that you see on the lock screen that you swipe just to unlock your phone. So battery arc will be there, and I don't want that, so I don't enabling it. Another thing is that you can enable torch. Enable torch is a feature where just long pressing the lock on a lock screen will just directly gonna enable the torch. So many of the phone nowadays don't come with a default torch app, but enabling this, you can get a torch directly from a lock screen. You don't have to unlock your phone and go to the application and just enable the torch. So that's a very you can say very helpful feature of this gravity box. Another is you can then slide before unlock. So this is the slide before unlock is another thing that you have to slide first, and then the lock screen, that whatever you have set a pin, password, or a pattern lock. So first you have to slide it, and then the password or the pattern or the pin will come. Now another thing is that maximum visit. So you can actually, by the clicking on this, by clicking on this, you can enable the maximum visit. So when you will gonna see the lock screen, you can set maximum visit on that. I don't want it, so I just canceling it. Another thing, that is status bar policy. Now status bar policy is, you can see that unlocked if insecure. So status bar is means this I am just scrolling it on. So status bar will gonna unlock if even if the password will be there. So you can just, if you want to unlock it, you can lock in. Even if you want unlock, then you can unlock. And if you want it to unlock, if there no security, just slide there, so you can unlock it that as well. As so show pattern arrange, this is another thing. Actually I'll be just skipping, that's not that much great. So now the next thing comes is status bar tweak. So under the status bar tweaks, there are many things comes around. I will be just giving you a summary of that. And first comes with the kick setting management. The kick setting management comes with a very thing that you can actually just arrange your tiles. So select the tile you want in this pattern. You can also arrange the tiles like this. I'm opening this, so you can even arrange if you want this here, so you can even get that. So this is the thing that if you want, you can get that out. You can also set the tiles per row. If I want 5, then if you can see that it's getting 5 slides in per row. So that's, I just want 3, so I'm just setting it to the 3. Tiles reordering is also there. If you can want user profile below that, now you can see that my user profile is coming just very but I don't want that. I just want it upside, so I'm just turning it on. So many other things also that this provide, these tricks provide, not will not showing you each and everyone, but you can download yourself and get to know about that. Now status bar color is another trick. If you want a different status bar for your color, now if let me show you, I'm just setting it to pink. So yeah, that's pink coming around. If I want to set it to red, you can see that red coming around. So that's very good trick. Actually, you know, many of the people nowadays use this trick just to change their color, but I don't want, so I will just turning it off. Also you can set a different color from here, icon color, you can see the gray color, so that everything is turning out to be gray. There you can see that if I want to set it red, everything will gonna be red. So that's another trick. Now status icon, as you can select the jelly bean icon or KitKat icon. Now signal icon, if you can set that, you can see that just the changing color in the signal, but I don't want that, so I'm just switching it off. Another many tricks here on coming to another notification bar setting. So you can actually set a different wallpaper on your lock screen if you want. Actually, if I want to fill color, let me fill color. So now you can see that actually everything goes red. So this is another tweak by Gravity Box. So if you want that, you can set any of the color. You can even set the images also. You can just directly go to the notification draw background custom image. You can even try out the custom image thing, but I don't want, so that I'm just taking it off. And notification headset is called as a lollipop trick that's can enable on that, but that requires reboot, so I will not be showing you that. So now quickly gets to the battery setting. Now battery setting comes with a, you can see that while enabling that battery, the 55%, the 54% just showed up, and you can even select it to the smallest style, you can say indication, animated indication and charging color. So you can change each and every tricks, but I'm not using that, so I can, you can even change the battery icon, like a KitKat icon with percentage, cricket icon. So you can dash clock with battery, but the most I think I like the circular battery with percentage. So this is the thing that I like, and I'll be setting that only. Another many tricks, you can check it out while downloading this app. And display trick, another display trick that you can use. I will be showing the major part of it. Now battery brightness setting enables you to it's required you reboot, but it enables you to set the brightness auto level, and the level at which you want. Screen turn off effect, another time you can get the CRT effect or the fade effect that you got on the Sony phones, Sony Xperia phone nowadays. So another trick that make your phone look like Xperia while turning it off. So another tricks that it provide. Now phone tricks, another phone tricks, you can see that flip action while ringing. So when a caller calls you, you can just directly flip your phone to the back side, and the thing that you said will be, if you select the dismiss call, the call will gonna be dismissed, or if you select the mute ringer, it will gonna mute the ringer. So that's another great trick, actually very friendly and very helpful too. Quiet vibration is there, another trick. So you can actually select many tricks under it. And in the media tweak you get another media tweak and you also get the media tweak, so you can reorient your volume screen if it rotated, another trick. So actually let me show you this trick. You look at that, man, just press this my button, my volume rockers button, it showed me all. But nowadays actually, if you see any of the phone, it don't comes with it, so it's very helpful to get each and everything at one place. You can also disable it just by unchecking that expandable volume panel. while checking it, you can see that you can also increase the transparency, so you can see that no, it means there is no color. You can see that if you just decrease it, so you can see the transparency can also be increased and decrease. This was about media tricks. Launcher tricks is another thing, but that requires reboot, so I won't be showing you that. And also this gravity box KK also provide you a recording feature. So under this feature you can actually record your screen. That's I am recording. You can see the recording screen. I'm just recording by this only, so uh, uh, you can also see that the bit rates, time limit, everything. You can also record the full HD video, anything you can do that under that. So that was, guys, a quick review about gravity box KK. Thank you for watching. As do subscribe us.